Okay, all the gear and how I load my bike. I don't use any hard panniers, just soft luggage or canvas. Works pretty well for me. Apart from the gloves and the helmet sitting on the seat, there's nothing on the seat at all. These beams are pretty good stock, don't really need to do anything to them. They're all set up ready to go, straight off the showroom floor. In the middle there on that GL bag is just some bits and pieces. There's a spot tracker. On the left there is a head flashlight strapped in there so that once you get to night riding and you have to stop, got a bit of lighting if you need it. And set up in the corner there is a tourniquet. And in that little box on the front there is just some more first aid gear. Apart from that, that's about it. That's everything in there. On the left side there is the tent, ground sheet, sleeping bag, that sort of thing. On the right hand side, clothing, wet weather gear, food, cooking gear, 3 litres of water there and 3 litres of water on my back. Heavy duty gloves, gauntlet type gloves, good protection. And a Norseman Hayden Road.